Napakaganda na ang isang lalaki at ang isang babae ay nagpapasya na magpakasal sapagkat walang ibang sinasabi na dahilan ang mga nagpapakasal kundi pagmamahal. Ad multos anos, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos sa lahat ng taon ng inyong buong buhay.
I hope when you take that jump, you don't fear the fall. I hope when the water rises, you build a wall. I hope when the crowd screams out, screaming your name. I hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay.
Julian, by your side and in your arms, this is the best way to wake up every morning. And from this day forward, rest assured that we will walk the road together. We will commit to partnerships that will last a lifetime and will make an amazing ride to this incredible journey as one. Mahal kita, bebe. Karen.
I hope that you fall in love and it hurts so bad. The only way you can know is give it all you have. And hope that you don't suffer, but take the pain.
I hope when the moment comes, you'll say,
I did it all.
Matagal ko itong pinangarap at pinagdasalan. Grabe sa haba ng panahon na aking paghihintay. Sa wakas, dumating ka na sa buhay ko. Sobra-sobra ka pa sa hinihiling ko.
I am very fortunate standing next to the man after God's heart. It's not destiny, but it's a God's will that led your heart to me.
I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did, yeah, with every broken
So let us welcome the
bone,
newlyweds,
I swear
Mr. and Mrs. Julian and Karen
I
Enriquez.
hope that you spend your days, but they all add up. And when that sun goes down, hope you raise your cup. I wish that I could witness all your joy and all your pain. But until my moment comes, I'll say
In the presence of God, and with our friends and family, I promise you this. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you. I will take care of you and love you unconditionally and forever be in love with you.
I won't give any promises dahil gusto kong maalala mo ang araw na ito. How grateful my heart is because God sent someone who can walk with me to deepen my faith and relationship with Him. Someone who can bring out the best in me. Someone who can help me become a better person. I am thankful because of you. Every time I look at you, I am reminded to forgive and to say sorry because your presence is so much greater than my pride and weaknesses. Kaya sa harap ng Panginoon at sa mga taong mahalaga sa buhay nating dalawa, gusto kong malaman mo, ikaw, Mr. Julian Del Mundo Enriquez Jr., ang pinakamagandang kasagutan sa lahat ng panalangin ko.
I did it all. I did it all.
I owned every second
yun ang inyong yakapin sa araw na ito, Julian at Karen, ang pagmamahal na agape, ang pag-ibig na agape, na katulad ng pag-ibig ni Kristo sa simbahan at ng pag-ibig niya sa bawat isa sa atin. Agape, iisipin lang ninyo, the love that we entered into marriage is the love of Jesus. The love which is agape.
Whatever you wanna do, I'll be here right next to you. No matter what comes your way, I know it'll be okay. Whatever you wanna do, I'll be here right next to you. No matter what comes your way, I hope that you can say I did it all. I did it all.
I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did with every broken bone. I swear I live.
Karen, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, at ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Julian, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Diyos Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I